In this video, I'll show you how to back up the Telegram messages. For that, the process is very complicated and difficult, but what you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So there are only two steps. One is by taking the screenshot of the chat. So if I want to save these messages personally, what I can do is to take a screenshot of the chat like this. Or simply I can copy this text and save this text in my notepad so that I can keep the track of this chat. So this is only two ways because the Telegram do not allow you to actually back up your data and they don't have a cloud integration yet. So you cannot back up the data to their cloud. All you can do is by screenshotting the text or copying the text. So these are the two steps that you can do. I hope you find this video helpful.